Welcome to another Health News video news release brought to you by Health News. In today's news, we look at how effective spinal adjustments are for sciatica treatment compared with surgery. Sciatica affects 10% to 40% of the population and refers to pain that radiates along the path of the sciatic nerve, which branches from your lower back through your hips and buttocks and down each leg. So how effective are chiropractic adjustments for patients suffering from sciatica? According to a study published in the Journal of Manipulative and Physiological Therapeutics, 60% of patients with sciatica who had failed other medical management benefited from spinal adjustments. If you or a loved one is looking for non-surgical relief from sciatica, chiropractic care is a proven method that will improve your quality of life. Remember, your best source for everything health is your chiropractor. Visit your chiropractor regularly and make sure your nervous system is functioning 100%. If you are watching this video on our YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you are watching this video on our website and have not already done so, please add your name and email address to the form on this page. And that's it for today's health news.